Hello, welcome to my channel. Yeah, the other day my wife she went to Costco and she saw this this is a black tiger shrimp. It look like actually a prawn, basically black tiger shrimp, big, huge. So they sell this at Costco. Okay, it's from a company called the Excellent by Chicken to the Sea, and this 4 to 6 per pound, I think. Raw headed, raw head on shell on black tiger shrimp. This is a farm raised and it's frozen. And so I thawed it already. So this is about 64 ounces, about 4 pounds, and the price is $9.50 per pound. So it comes to around $37.99, $38 for this right here, for this bag right here, 4 pounds. Look how big they are. Look at it. Huge. Look at this. That's ridiculous big. I would call this they call a black tiger shrimp, but I think it's look like a prawn. But the difference between this and the prawn has some whisker, prawn has like long whisker like this, but this one doesn't have it. Look at how big they are. Oh my goodness. They are huge. I never seen shrimp this big before. Look at it. Look at how big. This humongous shrimp. That is ridiculous. So I'm gonna do simple, just grill them basically. Just grill them in the oven. And my little oven right here, just grill them up. And it shouldn't take long at all, so I probably grill a few times. I can't fit all of them in a little tray right here. I got a small tray. So I'm gonna grill a few times right here. So right there. Let's put in the oven. I got my small oven right here. Turn this on and close the lid. Let's see. This one I'm gonna turn to grill. That's right here, grill right there. Right there, grill. Just push it at 425 degrees. Just grill this for maybe, it shouldn't take long, probably 10 minutes. And in the meantime, let me show you how to make, we have to do 2 batches. It's too big to fit all in the oven. So while the shrimp is cooking, I'm gonna show you how to make this famous Cambodian sauce to dip the shrimp with. So you need a mortar and pestle. You need a lot of garlic. My wife, she's gonna show you how to do it. A lot of garlic. So we're gonna use all of this, all this garlic, and then you need limes, need sugar, need chili pepper. So it's up to you. The more, if you want a little spicy, put more. You want not spicy, put less. You need to use fish sauce. This is a good brand right here. Three crabs brand. That's a very good one right here. You can buy that in the Asian store. I think it's made in Vietnam. So this is what she do. She smash up the garlic.
Easy to open.
Yeah. Make it easy to open, and the ratio for all of this is right here. So basically smash up the garlics, and then she's gonna put that into the mortar and pestle and pound everything, pound it up. And this is a very famous Cambodian
Called the Trai Kah Kong.
Tek Trai Kah Kong. That's what they call that sauce, Tek Trai Kah Kong in Cambodia. So they use that to dip with seafood, basically.
Okay, the seafood, chicken, whatever.
Chicken, yeah, whatever. It's just that's a very good sauce. Tek Trai Kah Kong. So this is how you make it. She's gonna show you how to do that. Mortar and pestle. While she do that, here I'm gonna just pound it. You can buy one of this right here. I got this one from where did I got this one from? Marshall. I think I bought this from Marshall or something. pretty cheap, like $10, $15, $10. It's all stone. Get yourself a mortar and pestle if you want to cook a lot of Asian food. They use a mortar and pestle to pound the ingredient. We do it on the counter right there. Should be doing it on the floor because counter is not very, I don't know, it's not strong. So don't, I guess don't crack your counter. So take it easy. Basically, if you do it on the floor, it's okay. Just pound it. Chili.
You don't like it too spicy, don't put
how many should we put? Like 5?
5 if you want.
Okay, 5 chili, 5 because if you don't want it spicy, don't put too many chili because it just pound it together. Yeah, this now the ratio for this right here. Let me show you the ratio. Find any container. This is like when you buy something, like they put the sauce in there. There's find any small container. So the ratio is 1 sugar, 1 fish sauce, 1 lime juice. So 1 of each. So the ratio 1 each, 1 of each. Just find any cup, anything like that. This
the
just
bigger cup you got more, depending on how much you want. Small cup you got like a little bit more. Yeah, just put in there and pound it so it break the thing easier. With the sugar, it pound the pepper and the garlic easier. Break. You want it all break apart.
Alright, now squeeze some lime. We need 1 cup of that too. So the ratio is 1 cup of sugar. Not a good lime here.
We got good lime. We don't do this one. Yeah, the little one got a lot of juice.
A lot of juice. A little one.
Better than the big one, huh?
The big one don't have a lot. Yeah, this one. Perfect. Alright, put
1 cup of the
1 cup of the lime juice. Put it in.
Let it all dissolve.
Yeah, let's mix all together. Dissolve the sugar. That's it, right? Oh yeah, bro. All right, and then fish sauce go last. 1 cup of the fish sauce. 3 Crabs brands. That's a good one. This fish sauce, I believe, is made in Vietnam. So now just mix it up. That's it.
And that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Then oh, this is one of the best sauce ever to dip any seafood. You can dip chicken in there, but
any kind of meat.
Yeah, any kind of meat will do. This is good. Like I say, if you want a little spicy, put more chili in there. We only put 5 in there. That's enough. Okay, now
That's it.
yeah, that's it. Right? All right, this batch is done. We're gonna take it out and then plate it. Plate this up.
Your finger not bad.
Now put another one in. Okay, that's the second batch.
The
And
last
let's-
batch.
Yeah. Let's give it a taste. Put a little bit of this sauce right here.
I just put it in
The
the jar.
what is the sauce? The name of the
Try
sauce? Here?
kakong.
The Trei Kakong. That's good. You taste one. Oh, look at how big it is. Oh my goodness. Ooh, juicy, juicy.
Mm.
Oh, look at this. Black tiger shrimp.
It's hot. Mm. Very
Mhm.
tasty.
Look at that. Black tiger shrimp. It's good. Man.
Costco.
So you can buy this at Costco. $9.50 a pound. Like this, about 4 to 6 of this shrimp is equal to a pound. It's huge. It's very tasty. Don't need to do much, just grill it for about 10-15 minutes. That's it.
I think
And
we-
the sauce is excellent right here. The sauce is awesome. So give it a try.
because I made it, that's why.
Yeah. Next time you go to Costco, look for this black tiger shrimp. They look like prawn, big like a prawn. So thank you so much for watching. You like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.